everybody. My name is Edward. I'm very glad to do the introduction of our company, Yomi supply chain. Our company always specializes on the welding and cutting machines and provide the welding and cutting services to our customers. On my right hand, you can see there's the welding machines and some rod-to-bore plasma cutting machines. We always sell to some small customers to replace the hand to improve the efficiency and accuracies. You can see on my right hand, this is a drilling machine. Always to do some drilling works on the metal plates. And it's just like the steels, carbon steels, stainless steels, and to dig the holes for the customers. On the left hand, you can see this is the HP cutting machines and some production lines. This is our intelligent factory for profile sensory processing machines. One customer told us, only this machine can replace 6 machines. High efficiency and high accuracy, more stability, very good choice. And on my left hand, this is the HP cutting robots and some 3D drilling machines. All these machines researched by Yomi, myself. This is the roller bed CNC cutting machine. It can cut different sizes of the halves based on the customer's requirements. On my left hand, you can see there are many different tube and high length cutting machines. We always provide the customizations for our customers. This is our automatic welding operators. It can replace hands to provide the welding services. We not only to do the produce, we also to provide the research services. Our company consists of 3 parts. One is in Jinan for the international marketing. One is in Zhezhou, China for the manufacturing. One is our overseas warehouse located in South Africa to provide the services for our global customers. In the future, I will provide the services and introduce here.